Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a full look at the Samsung Series 6 SpaceMax WW11DG6B25LEU1 Wi-Fi-enabled 11 kg 1400 spin washing machine in white. We'll cover its design, features, and complete specifications so you have all the details you need to make an informed decision. Let's dive in. This is a front-loading washing machine with an 11 kg drum capacity. That's plenty of room for large family loads, bedding, or heavier weekly washes. It spins at up to 400 revolutions per minute, helping to remove water efficiently and cutting down drying times. Samsung has built this model with its SpaceMax design, which cleverly increases the drum size without increasing the machine's external dimensions. You get a bigger drum while still fitting the washer neatly into a standard utility space. It also comes with EcoBubble Technology. This system mixes water, air, and detergent before it reaches the drum, helping the detergent spread more effectively through each wash. For those busy days, you'll find flexible cycle options. The Super Speed Cycle can handle a full load in just 39 minutes, while the 15-minute quick wash is ideal for smaller loads or items that just need a refresh. When you need a deeper clean, the Hygiene Steam wash adds a powerful steam phase to the cycle. On the smart side, washer is Wi-Fi enabled and connects to the Samsung SmartThings app. Through your phone, you can monitor energy usage with AI energy mode, check the cycle progress, set your favorite programs, and even receive finish notifications. It also offers diagnosis and troubleshooting features, plus tailor suggestions based on your laundry habits. Now, let's go over the size and weight. Out of the box, the machine weighs 72 kilograms and with packaging is 74 kilograms. Box dimensions measure 89 centimeters in height, 67 centimeters in width, and 68.8 centimeters in depth. In the box, you'll find the washing machine, a user manual, an energy label, warranty card, spanner, both caps, a hose guide, and a cold water hose. Everything you need for installation and setup. Altogether, the Samsung Series 6 SpaceMax WW11DG6B25LEU1 balances capacity, performance, and smart functionality. It is best suited for busy families, shared homes, or anyone who needs the flexibility to handle frequent large loads while keeping control through smart features. This is a capable, spacious, and connected washing machine that can keep up with demanding laundry needs. The Samsung Series 6 SpaceMax WW11DG6B25LEU1 deserves your attention. Thank you.